Today we're tackling a major issue on our 80 series. For some reason, on our cold mornings, '80 series doesn't want to start. So what we have here, new glow plugs for the 80 series. So Darcy, what's the process of tackling and installing the glow plugs?
Well, pretty much we'll have to take the intake off and get to the glow plug rail, like to the glow rail.
Yep.
And basically pull them out and replace them. We did have them soaking with WD-40 because sometimes they do like to get seized in the head.
Okay.
But yeah, we just had them soaking for a bit and yeah, hopefully they come out easy.
I hope so.
That's the plan.
So you reckon, obviously, the most easiest and convenient way before tackling glow plugs is to use WD-40 because it will help the threads to loosen up, or?
Yeah, pretty much. So like you just don't want to be rusted and stuck.
Yeah.
You just don't want to be stuck because then they can cause a big drama. Like sometimes they'll snap off in the head. Right. And that's just a whole nother ball game. That's just more stuffing around. Yeah, cool. So yeah, rather let them sit for a couple of hours, let them soak, so then they don't snap or pull threads or whatever. Yeah. Well, save damaging your motor. Yeah. Well, I mean, honestly, we've done this obviously prior. We've soaked it in with WD-40 just to obviously help with the threads and that. But what we have here is the NGKs from HD Automotive. Big shout out to Hayden from HD Automotive for hooking us up with the product. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so now that's been done. So, Darcy, how do we test the glow plug? So basically, to do a basic check on your glow plug to see how quick they heat up and make sure they actually work them, you put your negative cable, so put that jump leads to your battery, positive obviously, blah, blah, blah. Put your negative alligator clip onto the threads, because essentially what happens with glow plugs, they are earthed out through the head and then I have a buzz bar that goes to this side here, and basically it's just like a short circuit. That's how a glow plug works. Okay. So to test it, you just do that. And then at your positive side, and put that on the end like that, and then you just kind of wait and see. Hopefully it's supposed to, she should be glowing bright red right now, but they're taking its sweet time. You can see the heat coming off it, but yeah, wow. Yeah, they should be glowing way redder than that. So we'll see with the new one. Hopefully it's a lot better. From HD Automotive. Thanks, Hayden. Thanks, Hayden. But see how much redder that is? Oh yeah, huge difference. There you go. Yeah. There you go. All right, let's install them. Well, let's give it a shot. So we've just finished the glow plugs, and honestly, you probably just saw the video. The 80 series fired up pretty good, man. Thanks, man. Done pretty well. No, simple job, pretty easy. Just got to make sure you do soak those glow plugs before you do pull them out, because, as I said before, they can get stuck and they can snap in the head, and it's just a whole nother stuff around once that happens. Yep. But yeah, they're pretty easy. They're like straightforward, easy as. They're right there. We'll just take the intake off and that's it. That's amazing, man. Yeah. Should have put a little bit of NECs on the threads. Okay. But we didn't have anything on hand. Yeah. But we put a little bit of WD-40 on it. It should be fine. But yeah, you don't go through bog holes and shit anyway, so you won't get them dirty. You'll be fine. Not yet, anyway. Awesome, man. Well,
Big shout out to Darcy. Check him out. What's your Instagram?
So I've got me patrol Instagram, which is Stinks42.
Check her out.
And yeah, soon we are doing a YouTube channel called Scratch 4x4. So we're just doing a bunch of like patrol stuff and stuff like this, and forward driving and camping, and just doing all that kind of content. So hopefully start that soon.
The links will be down below in the description in the video. So yeah, thanks Darcy. Appreciate it, man.
Anytime.
Now, something's coming very soon. Keen to do it. Stay tuned. So get subscribed, like the video, share around, and yeah. Also want to say a big thank you to Automotive, Hayden. Once again, you've done the job, mate. Have a good one.